What is up, slot car racing fans? Detroit Slot Cars, this is Matt, and look what we got. Went to Cloverleaf Racing in Highland, Michigan today. Great bunch of people over there. Got a great couple tracks, and of course, while you're there, you gotta pick up something, right? So they have an excellent selection. The old Scalextrics cars, they've got Fly, they've got Scale Auto, they've got everything, anything you want. They've got it there, they got parts and stuff too. But just got this bad boy home, and it is the Plymouth Barracuda. Very cool. So we're gonna get it out of here and see what it can do. So man, that is a beautiful looking car. Look at that thing. And I think, I did not look it up, but I think this is an actual livery. So 1/2 scale. Okay, very cool. All right, let's get this thing unscrewed here. Scalextrics always has I like their stuff, you know, nice and easy. Looks good, good case. Got our DPR ready. All right. So eventually we'll get a chip in this thing too, but I'll switch the old Art Pro over to analog. Look at this thing. Wow, the detail on it. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, man, that's really cool looking. The Hemi. Whoa. Driver inside. It looks good. Okay, this is fresh out of the box. Haven't even tried to use it or anything yet. Hopefully it'll run good. Everything's looking good on it. One of the slot car cats is here. Let's get you out of the way. Looks like everything's good on it. Let's just give it a quick go. We're switched over to analog here, so let's see if this will work. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so quiet too. Oh, forgot. On analog, can't do the lane changers. I always forget I gotta straighten those things out. Alright, let's try it again. Let's run it. Go, 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 go. Ooh, man. It's looking good. It's got the headlights on it and everything too. It's running good. We'll get it tuned up a little bit. Wow. Running good. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, as always. Thanks for watching. Oh, and you know what? I wanted to give a shout out to Toju Racing Todd over there. And thanks so much, buddy, for giving me a shout out on your channel. As Todd always says, metal. That is awesome. And they were cut from the same cloth there. Here over at Detroit Slot Cars in Detroit, you know, we're not only the Motor City, but we were Detroit Rock City too. So, Todd, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, and we'll keep on slot carring. So we'll see ya.